Let's say you've got sales data and want to quickly summarize it. The best way. A pivot table. Start by clicking anywhere inside your data, then go to Insert and click on Pivot Table. Choose where you want it. I'll keep it on a new sheet. When you click OK, Excel will create a new sheet with a blank pivot table layout on the left and all your fields listed on the right. I'll start by dragging the order number into the rows area and then add unit price into values. Next, I'll also drag the date field into rows, and you'll see Excel automatically groups or summarizes it depending on how it's set up. I'd like to adjust the layout a bit so it looks cleaner and feels more like a proper report. Go to the Design tab, choose Report Layout, and click Show in Tabular Form. I don't like having subtotals everywhere, so I'll go ahead and select Do Not Show Subtotals. I also don't like having all these blank rows, so I'll go back to Design, then Report Layout, and click Repeat All Item Labels. Much cleaner and easier to read. Now, let's look at how the sales data is shown by date. You'll notice Excel automatically groups the dates, usually by years, quarters, months and days. If you want to change that, just right-click on any date, choose Group, and a pop-up will appear where you can pick exactly how you want it, by days, months, quarters, or even years. I'll go ahead and select years and months for this video. You can easily see total sales by year, drill down into quarters, or even analyze month-by-month performance, all with just a few clicks. You can also ungroup them if you just want to see the raw dates again. It's a great way to quickly switch between a high-level summary and a detailed view.